Hi class, this is Rupinder Thin. Today I'm gonna present Community Service Learning Project Pay It Forward Altruism in Action. The organization I have chosen is a free kitchen Langar Seva. Langar Seva is a community kitchen where free food is served to mankind regardless of color, caste, race and religion. Food Seva was started by the sixth first Guru, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism. Sikhs are expected to donate about 10% of their time or income, called the Swand, toward community service. Types of Seva. There are three types of Seva: Tan, Man, Dhan. Tan means a physical work and help to others. Man is a mental skill and talent to serve others. Dhan, helping others by offering money and charity. Being a volunteer in Langar within Gurdwara and taking time to serve Langar to wide community is an example of Dhan. As described in our live Guru, Guru Granth Sahib Ji Young 286, one who performs selfless service without thought of reward shall attain his Lord and Master. Reasons to choose this organization. I belong to Sikhism and I learned to practice Seva in my childhood. My grandma always told me to help others in need. So here I am showing a picture during the farmer bill protest. Ladies are trying to help people in protest by blocking the railway track. I'm showing some pictures of protest. A grown old man who is hit by police. A massive large protest. People who are shooting by water guns. My contribution. During the Farm Bill protest, I went to India to be volunteer in Langar Seva, prepare food for the people who were protesting on the streets of Delhi in chilly cool weather. Self-rewarding. Helping and serving humankind is self-rewarding. It is one of the best things that one can do. Various studies reported that offering help and performing act of kindness is strongly correlated that increased happiness level and a sense of fulfillment.